Yeah.
Welcome to this That's right.
But how are you?
Now to what's it?
Daddy. Daddy,
Me and it.
my mommy, about your first. Okay.
What the kind of what me be travel ya cha. Oh,
I only man can say and I come back to
yeah. That's right.
I'm Nalekia, a proud contestant of Miss Ahafo Ano 2022. I am here to talk to you about the word hustle. Before that, let's talk about the street. One may ask, what and where is the street? In the olden days, they explained street as a land. That is what they explained street as a land that is demarcated for cars and other vehicles, but it's one of the term used by the new generation called hustle. Everyone say, hustler, you will be a automobile, comfort, honorability, obia, on a number basa, our different feature, or someone who has an affiliation to do with we. Even Bongo explained hustler as a prostitute. Very funny. The word hustler became a thing during 1800s. And started to rise high aggressive at 1890s. And now it's overskilled. I am here to tell you something easy to overlook when it comes to the word hustler. The first meaning for hustler when you search on Google is someone who is adept at aggressive selling. And without that meaning, very skilled and being proficient at something. Hustler. Obia, or Peppa, so obey a Jumabia, send a bear, so let us all scramble the negative thinking and mentality about the word hustler. I am the hustler and I welcome all of you to the street. Thank you.
It's here for advice.